Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. I want to thank you for joining me today to check out this 2018 Freightliner M2. It is powered by the 5.1 liter Detroit Diesel with only 173,000 miles on the engine. This Freightliner has been thoroughly inspected, serviced, and is ready to go to work today. Hey, how's it going? Just wanted to give you a quick note. I'm going to be taking a few shortcuts on my videos for just a little while because I broke my foot. See right there? No fun. So, for the time being, a few shortcuts. I hope you won't mind. So stand by. Stepping into this FRP constructed cargo box by the Summit Corporation, it measures 26 foot deep. It is 102 inches wide on the exterior, 97 inches wide on the interior, and you have a 103 inch interior height. It includes 2 rows of E-track mounted at 24 and 48 inches off the floor. It has an LED light, forklift capacity floor, scuff boards, tie-down rails. This is very well equipped. Have you ever had a liftgate ramp combo? This right here gives you the best of both worlds. You can operate the liftgate or the loading ramp completely independent from the other. My customers that have these rave about the versatility. Have you ever used a level ride liftgate? Before the deck starts raising up, it levels off so you will have a more secure load. What we're looking at here is a Maxon model GPT 2,500 pound capacity tuck under liftgate with a 79 inch wide by 60 inch deep aluminum deck. And notice that zero angle approach so your pallet jack will have no problem getting on board. And on the interior, the amenities include, well, it's not a King Ranch. We're dealing with a box truck. So you have an air ride driver's seat, cruise control. We have AM, FM, Bluetooth, seat belts, functional heat and air. You know, it's all there. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you like this kind of video? You want to see more of them? Well, you gotta let me know. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit me up in the comments. Ask me a question. I would love to get back to you personally. Now keep in mind, we do offer nationwide delivery with our licensed and bonded transporters so we can park this truck safely right on your front door. Call me and I would love to give you a quote. As we move on to take a look under the hood, we have the most time-tested engine that you're going to find on the road today, the Detroit Diesel. This 5.1 liter Detroit DDS turbo diesel is a time-tested powerhouse. Its big brother has been powering Class 8 semis up and down the interstate for hundreds of millions of miles. And for some peace of mind, we do offer a nationwide coast-to-coast warranty program that will cover you for the next 3 years or 200,000 miles. That's right, you can get it up to 373,000 miles worth of warranty coverage. Hey Jeff, how do I buy this truck? Well, we take cash payments and we have very competitive financing. If financing is something that we can help you out with, just down below, we have our pre-approval soft pull digital credit app. Fill it out securely online and we will be happy to get back with you. Here's another question. Are you looking for a rusty truck that's been up north that's going to give you tons of headaches? Of course you're not. Just take a look at the chassis frame. Look at the engine compartment. This is a clean one, folks. Or maybe you're looking for a Freightliner with bald tires so you can go spend some more money. No, you're not. This M2 has 90% rubber or more and is ready to go hit the road. So if we can help you out with this Freightliner, please give me a call, email me, whatever works for you. If this is not exactly what you're looking for, we always have more in stock. Maybe we have other options that you need or you're looking for. Well, thanks for watching. My name's Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.